Hi everybody, welcome back to another bundleIQ tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use tags to quickly sort through your notes. So what we're looking at here is an article that I'm writing that I'll post to Medium here in a little bit about workspaces and tags. And this is a tutorial. So what I'm going to do is click on this tag field up here, type in tutorial, click update, and then you'll notice that the tag popped up here. And so on the left hand side, I'm going to go down to the tag tutorial, and because I want to filter it, and it'll show you all of the tutorials that I've created inside of this bundle called articles. So there are some articles that I've written, and what I want to do is click on tutorial just to filter those real quick. So tags are a great way to sort through a bunch of notes really fast and by topic. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.